It actually didn't work. I mean, I have one working that's right there. This one's not working. This is actually something you'll have to deal with in this class, the STEM elective that we're going to be offering. It will be pretty fun. We're going to do fun things where we'll get a film, we'll get to create, and we're going to build, and you're going to learn. But there are expectations. I need to be able to trust you guys. I need to be able to leave you alone, and you guys have to be able to work by yourselves. But if we can do that, then we could have some fun and we can work on some things. We're going to be building an electric motor, and we're going to be having a good time, and you'll learn a couple things in STEM and engineering and science. I hope you have fun.